how to fix Brave keeps logging me out. So if you want to fix Brave keeps logging me out, then what you need to do is first you just need simply launch your Brave browser. After opening your Brave browser, you just need simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and you can go with the settings option. Now under settings here, you will have an option of sign in automatically. So you need to search for the option of sign in automatically, or you can also go with search, and here you need to search for sign in and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go and set your Brave browser as a default browser. To do that, you can open up your settings and search for default and go with choose a default web browser, and from here click on the plus and then select Brave and select Brave as your default browser. After that, it will fix your problem. That's how you can fix Brave is logging me out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.